Hey, you guys, welcome back to FedBiz Exchange. I'm Michelle Brown, your coach and your mentor. In today's video, we're going to talk about an Ask MichelleB question. The question is from R. Davis, and she wants to know, are there any government contracts for laundry services? Well, in summary, the answer is absolutely, Miss Davis, and I'm going to show you where you can find them. So follow me to my computer. I'm just going to make sure that my screen is sharing, and let's get into SAM.gov, and I'm going to show you where these laundry service contracts are. So we're going to go to SAM.gov. We're going to click on contract opportunities. Then we're going to click on advanced settings right here, advanced search settings. Then it's going to load options. And since you, Ms. Davis, have not really gotten into understanding how to get these contracts, we're going to do this the quick way. And then you can back your way into it because there are lots of opportunities for laundry services. So those of you that watch me, you know that I will use keywords often to find things. So the first thing I'm going to do without knowing her NAICS codes is type in laundry services. And then I'm going to go down here to, it didn't stick. Let me type it in again. Okay, there we go. You see it stuck right there. It's matched to the application. Then I'm going to go down to notice type because I want you to find sources sought under laundry. I want you to find pre-solicitations and, of course, solicitations. So, and there are lots of awards already. I've seen some just as recent as last week for laundry service awards. So, Miss Davis, here you have it. I don't know what state you're in, but it doesn't really matter because you could actually do some in your state. If you wanted to look at where you can find laundry services in your state, you would come down here to place of performance, and you can choose by zip code or by state. I would suggest that you do by state because zip code is too narrow. Okay, so as you can see, look at this, sources sought for laundry services in Coatesville, bulk hospital laundry services. These are all opportunities. Now, this one is a little bit older, but as we keep going down, now this one is old, but it's probably in here because they're still redoing it or they're extending it. Okay, so somebody may have gotten this in 2018, but remember what I just taught you guys yesterday, you can get a 5-year contract. So this contract could be ongoing still, but here are other more recent ones in August 25th. This one is actually due, copy of linen and laundry services. This is a perfect example, but it depends on what state you're in. Now, for you, Ms. Davis, if you are not seeing laundry services in your state, what you need to do is learn how to do subcontracting and do what I teach you to do using subcontractors for their services in other states. And since you know this business, you know exactly what to look for. So the answer to your question is absolutely. You need to get on here right now. You need to get that government contracting checklist and get busy.